I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'. She just wanna go back to the future, so I brought that girl a DeLorean. 21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it. Show. Left her man in the crowd on the floor. Out of town, never saw her before. Told her, baby, we don't got that long. Listen, this not my city show, but I treat it like my city show. 20 more minutes into it more. 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 Yeah, I am not slow. Girl, you want me cause I got that dope. Pass that girl right on my freaking door. He passed me her friend, so they switching roles. I hit it fast, yeah, I hit it slow. But by the morning, girl, I gotta go. Gotta get ready, tonight is my show. If you okay, you might help in my show. Gotta be partners right under my nose. These niggas mad cause I got all the doubt. These niggas mad cause I got all the doubt. Changing my style cause I got every flow.
Alright, so there's like one problem I see wrong with all these DIYs and fashion customs that I see on YouTube nowadays. Everybody wants to be using like acrylic paint when they say use acrylic paint. And the only reason I'm saying this because they normally do tutorials and shit, so they kind of like, not saying they're giving them wrong information. If it works for them, it works for them. But I really wouldn't recommend it. I just see them out here giving you information on using like acrylic paint on fabrics. And that's not really the right way to go. I recommend y'all use this, the Tulip Matte Focus. The Tulip Matte White Fabric Paint, bro. This is, it's better than acrylic. I would say this is what I went to go get because it's meant for fabrics, unlike acrylics, which is just normal shit that you put on paper. It makes a big difference. This was a project I did a while ago that was gonna drop sooner or later, but I ended up getting desperate. It was really late at night and I didn't want to run out to go grab no fabric paint, so I used acrylic paint. And now, like, it doesn't look like nothing's wrong with it, but it's like, you hear that? That shit's hard as a rock, bruh. That shit's hard as a rock. You can't fucking wear this. Like, this basically like turned into canvas. So I mean, like, I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm still probably gonna use this, but I'll just probably paint on it and it'll just be like a decoration or some shit and I just hang it up. But this is not wearable using fabric paint on denim or any other type of fabric. So that's why I rather recommend y'all actual fabric paint.
Like, what the fuck is love? Tell me the connotation. Lately my love lost is turning to contemplation. Just contemplating on everything that get hard to say. And you make it so hard to stay. It's so hard for my heart to take. So I'ma just start to take these drugs, and hopefully I can go to a better place. It's helping me meditate, like everyday medicated. I'm 25, 8 faded. These days I say fuck love, cause love is just overrated. Flow so fucking cold to give you niggas hypothermia. We'd be on that loud, but I know that you niggas heard me, bruh. If you can't hear me, turn me up. Let me numb your nose, overdosing like Uma Thurman, bruh.
Yeah, fuck these niggas cause they always been extra. All these diamonds on me, I don't feel no pressure. Money coming in like I am an investor. She tried to take a break but I already left her.